Hello and welcome to A Quickie with Jolly. Today I wanted to show you the best natural way to hide those dark circles under your eyes. Now the dark circles under your eyes can be exacerbated by tiredness, which mine are at the moment. I'm ridiculously tired today. They're also a natural occurrence. As you get older, the collagen disappears from all over the place. But here, obviously, because the skin is quite thin, it's noticeable. And I mean, there's such a thing as collagen injections. I don't really know if they can be done there, and personally, not a fan of injections. So, that being said, let us begin. All right, Skin Serum is how that looks. There we go, little Skin Serum. Is natural, rejuvenating and regenerative serum. So that is really good at sort of healing your skin. Now what I do is I get the lid of my natural makeup and I drip a couple of drops of Skin Serum in there. Actually, one is more than plenty. Then I get the actual powder and I tip that on top, okay? Then with a brush, I then blend it together. And so now I've made myself a natural makeup with Skin Serum and loose mineral powder. And so to cover those dark circles, what you want to do is you want to just splodge it on your face like so. And I find a kabuki brush works quite well in blending it in without taking the serum away. And you want to sort of get up here too, because it tends to be dark in that area as well. And so see the difference there? The coverage is quite nice. It's very natural looking. Do the other side. And then you'd get your natural powder, do your kabuki thing, and then put it over the rest of your face. And that's how you go out in the world with your dark circles, nicely covered, you look nice and bright, bubbly, do the rest of your makeup, and Bob's your auntie. Thank you very much for watching.